Hi everyone, good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? Yes, we are back again on the video reaction. I want to talk about this Efulefu why is pineapple haircut. You already know who the person is. You can see her picture here. She is the one. You can see her. This woman here. Hmm? She keep on ranting. She keep on yapping, trying to be relevant by fire by force. Just like I said in our last broadcast, I don't expect any USB government to even react on her. I don't expect anybody to say anything about her because I told you that I would like to watch that her video, then I want to come back and say something. But after watching that video, I think it's not something that I will just record here. I think I'm gonna use that maybe in one of our live broadcasts today or tomorrow. I don't know. Many of you have seen the video. If you have not, please try and watch it. Try and watch that. And I would like everybody to, if you're broadcasting, or you have a platform, you need to talk about her. She's not only trying to elevate DOS. She's not trying. It's not just by elevating them or promoting them. She wants to hijack the people's efforts and transfer it to them. In other words, it's not something that you can just ignore. If you ask me my own opinion, I think the only people that have that license to ignore her are those in the cabinet, most especially DPM Dr. Orabueze. She don't need to. That's my suggestion. Like I begged yesterday, that people should not just forget about her. You don't need to react on her because she's trying to be relevant by fire by force. But the idea of trying to copy what people have done and give it to DOS is a no-no. Why am I saying this? In her recent post, this woman claimed that American government designating Nigerian as a country of particular concern is DOS IPOB effort. That they are the one. I know that this one surprised, shocked you, right? That we all know in this life, everybody want good thing, though, but who is going to bend down to work it out? Who is going to carry out the pain? Who is going to carry out the burden to make sure that you execute that thing to have a very good result? Ogenkering from their own side are claiming that they are the one that made American to designate Nigeria as a country of particular concern. That even the airstrike that took place in Sokoto is them because they have a lobby. Elias. Now I'm seeing this rumor. Even DOS members will be like, Lord Loisi Penaipa, you are going too far. We know that you're talking her, but we don't know that you are the madness in you is in this level. They themselves will be surprised hearing what this woman is claiming. You know, they will be surprised. How can you say that DOS are the one working out something, making things happen? Please, I forgot to remind you, I want you to like the video. You know, yesterday I uploaded the video like this, and the like is not encouraging until you get some time, then people begin to start like it. Please, if you have watched it, this is 4 minutes to the program. I want you to like the video. Click on the like button. This is a way to push this video for people to watch so that our people will not be deceived. She have a very just common assignment to achieve. One is to destabilize people's efforts. Two, to elevate DOS to become relevant. Three, to undermine the hard work of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Anybody telling you that you should not mention Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when you are talking about freedom, that person is an enemy to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They pretend to be speaking in his favor. They are the enemy to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I said it before. Those that love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, those that cherish him, that understand what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represents, will not be feel contented seeing anybody who is doing something like the USB government that have a very strong structure, and the template and everything is there. Anybody trying to tell you, people like CPM or DPM, Dr. Orabueze, and genuine Biafran, those that are focused, not to use the name of Master Ghana, they are saying that because the agenda is to make sure that Master Ghana is being relegated to zero. And she thought that she have done that, or the DOS are capable of doing that. That was why she bragged that Master Ghana will rot okay, legacy in the prison if care is not taken. She asked Master Ghana, according to her, not me, you are not the only one in Sokoto prison. If you, the way your brothers are going, Igbos are going to abandon you and legacy in the prison. One-on-one talk. Is that the kind of woman that you think that is defending Master Ghana? In her recent video, I'm not going to play it because I want to have my time and play it like we normally did, did in the other one. How we handle the other one, I want to handle this one as well. But if time permits us, we're going to do it before fundraising or maybe tomorrow. But I will try my best to say something about it. I want you to hear it. Even if you have not, listen, if you have not watched it, can't watch it, don't worry. We're going to still watch it again and go through it for you to understand the assignment and agenda she's out to perform. That is why I said COS and USB government should just ignore every nonsensical thing coming out from her. What you need to do is anybody that have platform that is actually speaking the truth to say something about her. I'm not saying people should attack her for attacking sake. Bring it objectively so that she will understand that she's a moron. She said a lot of nonsensical things, in the past. She keep on repeating the same thing. Now I mentioned everything we talked on that, but then not the DOS, but the only people get come out on Ghana web. You see, this life I know never told you. Oh, told you. 5 years, 5 good years now. That Master McCann is in prison. All right. Why you see pineapple haircut? Can you just tell us that thing that DOS have done that show you or prove to you that truly they are working for Master McCann's release? You know nothing about how the DOS are scavengers, fighting for money, fighting for power, position. They just call you and feed you with nonsensical things. Probably because Master McCann's wife is the one that's doing it. This is my own gut feeling. I don't have any my own instinct rather. I don't have anybody telling me intel or whatever. No, but I have to follow my mind that this could be this person saying this and saying that based on the past antecedents, what she's known for, what she have done in the past. Some of them will come out and say, "Oh, you guys are attacking Master McCann's wife." No, she's not attacking Biafrans. She's not attacking Biafrans. You think people have time for that? I don't think so. But your choice is your choice. You can believe whatever you want to believe. It's entirely your business. You want to tell us something that you don't know. How do you think that we are going to understand it? You just come out and begin to lecture us on something that we know. How do you think you will succeed? It will make you to look foolish, and a foolish woman you shall be. This woman also bragged that because of DOS ESN, that Fulani would have invaded Igbo land by now. That no, catch up with where are you actually doing this your fathers, and who is actually lecturing you, giving you those things? Because you find nothing than advancing your sabotage. You are nothing to compare people that are trying to lecture. They actually know better than you. Liars and deceivers at your age. I would have asked if you have family member, maybe your children. Who knows if you have any? But if you do have, they should step up and do something. What I'm saying now is not, I'm not saying people should attack you, but I just want you to go back and ask some pertinent questions. You know nothing about US. You don't know anything about US. If US are getting it right, that's your opinion. I respect you on that. But do not claim that I know can do US, not have only Biafra. In the same video where I'm praising US, you said that now that IPOB, the IPOB and the movement are gonna come as number can against for how deadly. That's why I just don't worry. I want you to follow us here so that by the time we bring the video, of course, we're going to open our line so that people will also contribute. If you have not watched it, then watch it. But join us when we are going to do the analysis. I cannot tell you specific time when we are going to do it. That's why you have to keep your eyes on the channel. That we are going to digest it and talk about it. You yourself, your own findings, I want to hear from you as well. Because we are going to open our line while going through it. I want Biafran to get ready to react and respond to this woman. Get ready. She wants attention, she have the attention. But the only thing I will make sure that she will not have is attention from the government, yes, the government. I will keep on begging them every now and then. Do not respond to her. Why? She don't deserve it. She want to have it. You want to have fun, right? You want people to talk about it. You will trend. Free of charge. I believe you me. You will trend. Lazuba have trended. Okay? And Asa. Even today. If you want to trend, you trend. But on what aspect, please? In which area are you actually trending? Trending for good or for bad? Remember, is either you trend for positive or you trend for negative. Which of them are you doing? Which of them? Which? Oh my goodness! You don't know who Masakane is. You don't know what Masakane represents. You don't know how much Masakane from DOS. You don't even know what Masakane said and how he cried out that he needs 100 men. DOS you are talking about, although I don't blame you when you say that they are the one to advance to bring Biafra and protect our land and all that, because what happened as I'm on Egypt also there. You on Egypt because I wanna needs to eat or something. You don't even need to be a member. In your own definition of IPOB members, I am not a member because I'm not an old member. But the word IPOB says indigenous people of Biafra. I'm not even expecting you to react on me or to comment on my videos. But you're going to hear that. But if you're not going from USB government, you are not going to get it. Wait for Gekere to respond to you. On the we can afford if I'm not USB government, just get out. Just get out. If you're not going to get a shop. So I'm about to get a USB cabinet members and CSI to go now they engage. Kiji below can even game making now or you will just come out and begin to send the word with USB government. Anyway, criteria. You have not met up the criteria. You have not met up the requirements. And I just pray that they will accept this in my plea. And I want to use the opportunity to also encourage you to also advise them, those of you that have platform. Use your platform also, send the message to USB government, not to mention this easy pineapple haircut. Leave this pineapple haircut alone. Let her keep on backing. And she will end up. I don't know. Can you find a man like from my one? I can't never know what you have. Because you are a liar and a deceiver. Pure liar, pure deceiver, a blackmailer. 419 or daytime 419. You are not even hiding it. Law. No one a master prophet will listen actually mama the law label. And he's right. Now Bastata is a Igbo title. Are you a wife to any king in Igbo land? Or woman? Law neck. Governor Butel pancake here in Igbo law. Governor Butel catch I will teach even like arrows no man. Saturday on the arrows. And me football. Now I call you on. I don't want to say much. Let me just save my energy until I play the video, because while playing the video, I will remember everything that you said and go with it. Please let me know what you think about her. If you have watched the video, please let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like the video. I expect to like it. Don't just say, "Oh, this is a kind report. This one don't matter." It matters. It matters a lot. Some of them, not everything you keep silent on. But when the gatekeep, when Naman keep, everyone must not talk. And I expect the government not to even mention her name or whatever she quotes. Leave it out there. Or the guy, yeah, he might figure me where they got where it's a collector or web, because I want to hear me for them. She's trying to find out who gentle and Biafra Liberation Army are working with. She want to know. As in what? Why don't you call gentle and ask gentle, who are you working with? Why come to Orabueze? All I law in a so madness. Oh, madness again so. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Okay, and please put your comment as well. I want you to put your comment. I want to know what you think. Like I asked you, have you watched the video or not? Go to the comment section and let me know. God bless you and happy weekend to you. Bye bye for now.